So please, Disna, share, send me the answers once again in chat. Final answer because now 10 minutes is over. So for those who are still solving, additional 5 minutes they can take. Those who have already solved, like Anushka, Bhavya, they can send me the final answer once again because once again we have started the meeting. That's why. Please send me final answer, and everyone will try all 5 questions together because now fine. I got from Bhavya, Navneet, Apurva, and others will also try and share me their answers. Tanvi, Ajit. Okay, Anushka, Bhavya. Two students only send me the answer. What about others? Navneet, please send me the answer. You can take, say, those who are solving, you can take additional 5 minutes more. Means till 6:15. I will wait for the answers. Then we will discuss. Apurva also sent me the answer, right? Tanvi, I have not received any answer from you. Tanvi and Ajit, two students are remaining. Please solve and share me the answer. Last 1 minute, 1 minute time. Now I'll discuss those question answers. So question one, Okay, Navneet, I got answer from you. Fine. So we'll discuss one by one. So first question, say D D is given parallel to D is 1 second. So for first question, let me so for first question, what is the value? See for 1 second, 1 second. Here is the question. Actually, because some virus or something, no, I'm not able to. This automatically it is coming down. 1 second. Values were given. So this was the question. A, B, C. This is line parallel to D line parallel to DC. 7.2, 1.8 in centimeter. This is 5.4. This we can assume as x. So D is parallel to BC. So we can say they will this D will divide this now side AB and AC in the same ratio. So AD by BD will be equal to AE by EC. So you can take this AD as x 7.2 is equal to 1.8 by 5.4. So 18, this is 3 are 54, this is 2.4. So you got this x value 2.4 centimeter. So 2.4 centimeter means option will be 2.4 centimeter. That means option number will be B. For first one, B option 2.4 centimeter will be the final answer. So 2.4 option B 2.4 2.4 2.4 2.4. All of you are correct. 2.4 option fine. So this will be we can say 2.4 centimeter. For second question, D is a point on the side BC. So second question, D is a point on B side BC of triangle ABC such that angle C. This is the triangle ABC and D is a point on the side BC of a triangle such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. So this is point D. So at angle ADC, this angle equal to angle BSC, this angle. So for the second question, angle triangle. This, let me share this question in our WhatsApp in our group basically. That will help to see the question. I've shared this question in this now in our WhatsApp group. So from there also we can see the question. So this is second question. D is a point on side BC such that angle ADC equal to angle BSC. We have to prove the CA square will be equal to how much? CA square is there in left hand side. We have to prove this will be how much. So we can say we can take triangle similar. Which triangle will be similar? This triangle. Angle C will be common. So triangle we can write ABC will be similar to triangle. Which triangle? C. ABC is again the C is common. C is common for both the triangles. So this C and C angle A is equal to angle D. So in place of A we write D and ABC. So this is smaller triangle we can take because ABC bigger triangle and this small triangle because angle C is common. So in place of B we write D. So this is similar. So this AC we can take CA square we have to take. So first we will take AC. So by CPST AC by DC will be equal to here we have to write AC in denominator side because this will be DAC. Sorry, DAC. So in place of AC, here we write to AC because AC into AC will be AC square. So this AC last two terms, here we write BC. You got the answer. AC square will be equal to BC into CD, BC into DC, BC into DC. Got the answer? No? Because which triangles we have to prove similar? This triangle ABC is similar to triangle this now, this one. Let me put in blue. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle C ABC. We can say DAC, this one. And which is the criteria? Angle criteria. Where two angles are equal. This angle C is common. An angle in ABC, angle A is equal to angle this now D in triangle ADC. So based on similarity condition, we know AC square will be equal to BC into CD. So AC square will be equal to BC into CD. So BC into CD, option number C. So this is option C. And in the first question, option was B. So second question option is C option. Let me see question 1. We got option B. Question 2, option C. Now I'll see question number 3. Question 3, note the solution along with me. Any doubt, you can ask me anytime. So this was question 2. Now I'll see question number 3. So question 1, B option. Question 2, C option. This is the proper solution. See, sides of the two similar triangles are in the ratio. See, two similar triangles are given. Let the side be A by B. They are given 4 by 9. You have to find the value of area of these triangles are in the ratio. So area triangle ABC, let us take, by area triangle PQR will be equal to this the ratio of the sides. We know this concept, ratio of the sides, A by B whole square, because ratio of the two similar triangles are equal to square of the ratio of the sides. So 4 by 9 square will be equal to 16 by 81. 16 by 81 means option number D. So this is option number D, correct. So this was question number 3rd. And see, for first 3 questions, if you see, first one is correct for everyone because option B, first one, option B, everyone is getting. For second one, option number will be C. Second number, option number C, Navneet is not getting. So CD into AB, okay. Second one C option Apurva, okay. Second one C option Anushka. Second number C option Bhavya also. So second number Navneet, please check one second, because triangle we know triangle ABC will be similar to triangle ABC. Then for this triangle it will be, because angle A is equal to angle D. This angle is equal to D. This. So for this triangle, small triangle, we write DAC, because as per the sequence, CC will be equal. CC will be at same position, right, Navneet? Because CC is common angle. So ABC will take small triangle. In place of A, we write D because A and D are equal. So DAC, correct. Now we'll take values. So first for first triangle we'll take AC. AC corner value, so we'll take here DC. AC by DC will be equal to. Now here in the second triangle we'll take AC in the second case, because AC into AC will be AC square. So here also we'll take BC. So we'll do cross multiplication. Second is we'll get the answer AC square equal to BC into CD. For third one, we know the concept, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR will be equal to A by B whole square. So A was, this is the question, A was 4 and B is 9. 4 by 9 will be 16 by 81. 16 by 81 will be the answer. Now we'll see fourth one. So let me erase this now. First question is correct for everyone. Now I'll see fourth one and fifth one. So in fourth question, ABC and ABD are two equilateral triangles. See, these are two triangles. ABC, ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is a midpoint of BC. So D is midpoint of BC. So ABC is equilateral triangle, and triangle BDE are equilateral triangles. So how we will make BD triangle BDE? So we can take the value BDE. D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of area of triangle we have to find. So we can take, no, from BD we know, and here will be 60 degree. So here we can construct one triangle. See, because sides are equal, so this will also be midpoint of this now AB, because BC is equal to AB, BC equal to AB, and half of BC, that is BD, will equal to BE, and this we can make angle equals. So this automatically this AD will be equal. So basically we can take we can write area of triangle A BD by AB, reverse order. First we have to take of area of triangle BDE by area of triangle ABC equal to BD value. We can take BD side, because any one side we can take BD if you take. So here we can take which value BD if you take, no, here we can take BC value total, BD by BC whole square. What will be BD? We can write BD as it is. BC we can write 2BD, because D is a midpoint of because D is a midpoint of BC. We can write twice of BD whole square. BD cancel, 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. So answer will be, proper answer will be option C, 1 by 4, because BD E we have to take first, triangle BD by triangle ABC. So BD will be equal to B, and this will be, this we can join AD. We'll find BD, B and ED are all are equal length. That means equilateral triangle. So BD by BC, sides ratio square, to 1 by 4, because BC is double of BD. Now if we see the answer, fourth one option C. Fourth one option C is correct for Navneet. Fourth one option C correct for Apurva. Correct for fourth one option B, Anushka. Fourth one option B. Fourth one option B. Fourth one option we are getting C option, no? So Anushka and Apurva, please check the question and the solution. Anushka, and actually fourth one option should be C, 1 by 4, because BD will be smaller than BC, and we have to take BD first, BD by ABC. Fourth one B, Anushka's fourth one B, then Apurva fourth one. Fourth question option C, right? Apurva is correct, and Navneet also correct. Fourth one option C. Please do the correction, Anushka and Bhavya. Every time we have to see which value we have to find. Understood? Because triangle BD is first, then triangle ABC. So for BD will take. So for triangle BD will take BD side first, BD by. For triangle ABC will take BC, because triangle BDE will be similar to triangle BCA. BDE then BCA. Angle criteria, this will be same. These are parallel basically, because midpoint will join this with these are will take this as this will also midpoint, because base and BD are equal. So this angle, this will be sides will be parallel and angles will be equal. Similar means this area will be equal to side ratio of the sides, square of the ratio of their sides. So this was question number 4. Now see last question, question number 5. Triangle ABC, AB, AC, BC are given. Angle B you have to find. Okay. So we can suppose, let us assume this is a right angle triangle. Let us assume this is a right angle triangle ABC, because angle is given, no, so we can assume in the start it is a right angle triangle. and longest side is 12. So let us take this is 12. This is one side is 6 root 3 is 6 centimeter, other side 6 centimeter. Let this triangle be AB is given 6, whatever notation there we will put AB 6 root 3, AC 12, and BC 6. So we'll see Pythagoras theorem is verified or not. Pythagoras theorem is applicable or not. So AB square will be 36, 3 ja 108, okay, plus BC square. So what is BC square? Plus 36, that is 144, correct? 144 is AC square, right? Pythagoras theorem is applicable. That means this is hypotenuse, this is base, we can say this is perpendicular. So this angle will be 90 degree, and we have to find the angle of B. So B will be 90 degree, correct? So B will be 90 degree. This is question. So see, 90 degree is there in the option, and also triangle is given, and we have to find the angle. So we'll assume first right angle triangle, and accordingly put the values, and we'll get the AB is 6 root 3, BC 6. AB square will be 108, 36 into 3 108. BC square will be 36, 108 plus 36 144. 144 is 12 square, that is AC square. That means AB square plus BC square with AC square, hence angle B will be 90 degree. So for fifth question, option number D. So let me check the answers. Fifth question, option D is correct for this number. Correct for Bhavya, option D. Then Anushka, option C. Option will be D actually. So for Anushka, fifth one is wrong. Then okay, later we'll see. Fifth option, option fifth one, option D correct, 90 degree. Fifth one, option D you have corrected, Anushka. Okay, that's one very important to correctly answer the question. Apurva fifth one 90 degree correct, and Navneet fifth one 90 degree correct. Fine. So basically, topper will be Apurva because all our answers are correct. 1B, then 2C, then 3, third one. We have option number D, fourth one, option C correct, and fifth one, option D correct, 90 degree. So here is the score. You can make the correction. Please note the solution, and then I'll write the score. So here we can here is the score basically. So I got the answer from Navneet. So Navneet got one answer wrong. That was question number second. So Navneet got marks. Let me take 2 marks for one question. So 5 to the 10. So 8 marks. Then question number 2 was wrong for Navneet. Then question number 4 was wrong for Anushka. Same marks, 8 out of 10. Then for Bhavya also same marks. One question wrong, 8 out of 10. And we can say highest will be of Apurva, full out of full marks. The question very easy. So I will write AP and Anushka AN. 10 out of 10 marks. For Navneet, question number wrong, question number 2. Anushka, question number 4. Bhavya, question number 4. Correct, no? Notice the solution. Any doubt in these 5 questions? Then you can ask. We'll see conceptual understanding in our next session. That will be on Tuesday. See, yesterday we had one extra session because of loss we had in on last Wednesday. So Tuesday we'll have this conceptual understanding. Then one more session will be on Thursday for this triangle chapter. And for tomorrow test, what are the chapters you can give test for tomorrow? See, whatever chapters you have studied now, for those chapters you can give test. Means new chapters like this now. introduction to trigonometry, some application of trigonometry, and circles. These three chapters you can give test. Because probability is over, test probability and coordinate geometry we had test last time. So for this Sunday, last Sunday there are no math tests. So last Sunday was test of probability and coordinate geometry, I think, and this now polynomials. So I will confirm the chapters. Most probably this will be introduction to trigonometry this time, then some application of trigonometry, and then circle chapter. What are chapters we have completed this now after coordinate geometry. Any session from your end, any chapter we can include or find these chapters. 13th was is 14th. On 14th we had maths test. 14th March. So topics were on 14th March. Topics were polynomials, quadratic equation, coordinate geometry. These were the three topics. And for 7th March, topic was we can say probability and this now. Hmm. Brightness completed portion. No problem. So we'll see mainly this for these three new chapters. Introduction to Trigonometry, Chapter 8, Chapter 9, Some Application of Trigonometry, and Chapter number 10, we can have test tomorrow. If additional chapter is there, I will inform you on our group. Fine, no? You can note the solution and then we can wind up, you can end the session. So Purva, once again I will complete because we have the maximum marks. Others can also try to get maximum marks because questions were very easy for these type of questions, full out of full. You can try. The most important is to write the solve the question correctly and also mark the answer. Means always no, mark answer properly and share me the right answer. Because now in hurry normally we make silly mistakes, then our marks gets deducted because of silly mistakes. No doubts. So note the solution, then you can end the session. And those who have
Thank
any
you, sir.
doubt, they can stay back. Okay. Thank you, Bhavya. Thank you, Navneet.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Apurva.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.